Hey, what up, YouTube? It's the Ortega Brothers. We're back at y'all with a new video, and today we're gonna be putting the side skirts, the carbon fiber on my dad's C6 Z06. Get the light so you guys can see how this thing is looking. We already did one side. Car looks immaculate right now. Got the C8 lights on the C6. Now we're gonna go off of this side so you guys can see. We're gonna film this side so you guys can see how's the process and how to do it. It's also gonna put in the sequential lights. He just took them out, the Mirimoto ones. He got the carbon on the. Yeah, bro. I'm about to show you guys how it is. So you gotta go inside the wheel well, take these little bolts off, and then this carbon piece is gonna go on there. Just like that. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. Alright, so we first put it on the mud flap, so it'll be a little easier when we just put it. We just could bolt it up from the front and from the back, so it'll be way easier. Then we can just drill the holes and it'll be installed. Easy as that. Alright, so we just drilled the holes right there. It's going on from the inside. We propped it up with the one in the front right there, so it'll be easier. But now we're gonna drill. We're gonna drill. And now the car is all done. How it's looking. Ooh-wee.